Y'all judging me?
No. Yes.
It's a little dry cough.
Okay.
Eden, can you do me a favor? Can you hand me that water? What you looking at? Them two black ass legs that work. If you don't use them legs, they'll get that water.
Oh shit. Yeah.
See?
What I'm talking about, girl.
Girl, I'm not sick. Sick, girl. Something's going on in your respiratory system in that area. Something is going on that should not be going on, and it's doing that shit. Well, bitch, I said I'm not sick.
Is it feisty out here?
Yeah, you sound too. Eat it. I think she got it. Yeah.
I'll get my own goddamn water.
Drink that whole cup. Yeah.